In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PNG in Inkscape. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load, and make sure you're looking at the document you want to export. If you already have your artwork saved, open that existing document so everything is ready to go on the canvas. With your file open, head to the File menu at the top of the window. From there, choose Export. This opens the export panel on the right side of the screen, which is where you'll set exactly what gets saved and at what size. At the top of the export panel, choose what area you want to export. Document exports everything within the full document boundaries, including anything that sits within the overall drawing area. Page exports only what's inside the page borders, which is great when you've set up a specific page size and want to ignore anything off to the sides. Selection exports only the objects you currently have selected. This is perfect when you need just a logo, an icon, or a specific piece of your design. Before using selection, make sure all the parts you need are actively selected so nothing is accidentally left out. Custom lets you define a manual export area by entering exact values, ideal when you want a precise slice of your artwork without changing your page or moving objects. Next, set your output size. You can type in the width and height to control the pixel dimensions. Keep the aspect ratio locked if you want to avoid distortion while resizing. For print quality output, adjust the DPI to 300 or higher. The default in Inkscape is 96 DPI, which is fine for screens and web use. Remember, higher DPI or larger pixel dimensions will increase file size but also improve clarity, especially for detailed graphics. When you're happy with the area and size, click the folder icon or choose Export As to pick a save location. Give your file a clear, descriptive name and make sure it ends with .png. Choose a folder you'll remember, especially if you plan to export multiple assets. Finally, click the Export button at the bottom of the panel to generate the file. Inkscape will process the image and save it where you specified. If you need to export another variation, say a different size or area, adjust the settings and click Export again. PNG supports transparency, so any transparent regions in your design will be preserved in the output. That's it. You've exported a clean PNG from Inkscape, ready for web, print, or sharing.